Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. I found a lot of new Christmas items and then just a bunch of new items in general. I also found quite a few interesting food options, so if you're interested in seeing this video and checking out what I found at the Dollar Tree this week, go ahead and stick around. I'll go ahead and start with the Christmas because I know that that's what everybody is into right now. So I'll start with my favorite find for the Christmas items. So I'm actually going to rephrase that because I think that I had multiple favorite items this week. So I'll go ahead and start with one of my favorite Christmas items that I found, and it is these right here. They're plates, but they're actually made out of metal. They're metal plates. So let's see what the tag says. It says it's a tray, which that's actually what I bought it for. I bought 2 of them because I have a plan to do a DIY where I make them into tier trays, and for them being metal, it's just gonna go with a whole like rustic vibe, and I really love that. So I went ahead and I picked up 2 of these. My store looked like they had probably just gotten them in because there was a huge stack of them, and they still kind of had the paper in between. You guys know once people start digging through that, all that paper goes everywhere. But they had this, they had another print that had a Santa on it, and then they had another print that had a snowman on it. I was kind of hoping I could dig through and find maybe like a red truck or something like that. I didn't personally find that, but who knows, it might be out there. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. Be on the lookout for them at your store. They're pretty nice. So my second favorite finds are these clips right here, and let me put them all down except for one. They say that they are decorative clips. It just has the pine cone and the holly berries and then the cotton, and that's my favorite thing. I do have some cotton plants around my house as decor, so I thought that this would be really cute to incorporate. I bought 3 of them. I thought it might be nice to surround maybe a candle or something like this, and then put a candle in the middle and maybe put it inside of a coffee table tray or something, or even a tier tray, maybe one every now and then. I think it's really, really pretty. The only thing that I don't super love about it, but it's still fine, is that the greenery doesn't look real at all. Like the leaf is just that fake like fabric leaf. But overall, for $1 per clip, I think that these are a really great deal. And you guys know, if you watched my haul a little while back, they had the picks that were like this. The picks are actually a little bit nicer, but to find the clips to turn into, like I said, maybe candle decor or something like that, I think that these are nice, and I think that they're a good deal. My store also had a ton of Christmas socks. I went ahead and picked out these 2. This one's definitely my favorite. It has the llama on it, and the hair on the llama right here is fuzzy. And then this side just kind of looks like a sweater. But this one says it's a crew socks, and it fits shoe sizes 5 to 9. And yeah, I mean, it looks like that looks pretty true to size. And then this one says that it's low cut socks, same thing, sizes 5 to 9. This one has a llama on it. Let me see if I can flatten it out so I can show you guys the full llama, or at least kind of, maybe sort of. Yeah, that was a really bad job that I did there, but it's a llama. I'll just show it to you like this. You can see the cute little llama on the back. The llama has its leg hiked up, which I think is cute. But this one's adorable. I love these a lot for wearing around the house in the wintertime because it gets really cold, and these are really cute and festive. My store had just opened up a box of these, so I went ahead and I grabbed 2. These are the garland, and they're 15 feet. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and wrap it around some of those wreath forms to make some wreaths to hang over my windows. You guys have probably seen how people are doing that. So my idea was to do that with these. Wreaths are so pricey. If I can make them using Dollar Tree products and kind of spoof them up and make them look better, that's definitely the goal. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of these just because I think these are going to go pretty fast because there's so much in here. There's 15 feet. So I think these are going to go fast. Go ahead and pick them up when you see them. If you see them, hopefully you find them. And yeah, great for making wreaths, or in the picture, they just have them hanging on a staircase. Another Christmas item, I think they had this last year, but it's the 2-pack of the plastic bucket. These are perfect if you plan on gifting goodies, cookies, candy, anything like that to people. I think these are adorable. They have the cups on them that have the cocoa and everything in them. Really, really cute with the gingerbread sitting down there. So I love these. I probably would have grabbed a couple of them, but my store only had one of these left. These will probably go pretty quick too, but I would think these would be things that they would restock. But yeah, these are perfect for handing to, I don't know, teachers, bosses, whatever it is. These are really, really adorable for doing things like that. So be on the lookout for these. They had a bunch of different prints. I told myself I was not going to buy any coffee cups. My husband's gonna kill me. But this one is so stinking cute. I don't need any coffee cups. And honestly, the Dollar Tree coffee cups are really cheap, so I don't usually buy them. But this one was too cute for me to leave there. And I've really been into the camper this year. I know everybody's really crazy about the red truck, and I love the red truck too, but I really like the camper a lot better. So this one has the most adorable camper on it. It's got the lights hanging off of it, the little sign that says Merry Christmas, and it's snowing. This is super oh, and it's kind of farmhouse because the back of it looks like it's shiplap or something like that. I'll probably end up putting this on my coffee bar during Christmas, and you guys know I always post coffee bar decor videos, so be on the lookout for this. I'm sure this little guy will make its way onto my coffee bar. I ended up picking up 2 packages of these DIY ornaments. I do have something in mind for these, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. I grabbed some of the red truck ribbon. I'm kind of shocked that there was still some in the store. There's not a whole lot on this at all. There's 9 feet, and it's kind of that cheaper, almost papery kind of ribbon, but the print is cute, so I thought I would grab it and kind of do something with that for maybe my Christmas tree or something. And I think I forgot to show you guys the print, but it's just got the little red truck on it like that. I went into the store and I searched through the bags because I saw over on Bargain Bethany's channel, she found one with a wreath on it and it had the black and white buffalo check. My store only had the one that had the, I think it was maybe it was the red and black buffalo check. I can't remember, but it wasn't the one I was looking for. I was kind of bummed out. But I found some bags that I did like and I went ahead and picked them up. It's this bag right here. Again, it's the camper. So it's got the camper right there. I do plan on probably using this for something else. Probably gonna cut this out and maybe make an ornament with it or something. But I thought it was so cute. You have one on each side. On the outside, there's Christmas trees. Or on the ends, there's Christmas trees. But it comes with a pack of 3. So even though I'm gonna use this one, I'll still have 2 little mini bags. These would be perfect for gift cards. This one just is holographic, says Merry Christmas. And then this one just says Deck the Halls. So be on the lookout for these. These are a great deal for $1. You get 3, and it's even big enough to put a small gift in if you needed to. So I just think that these are awesome, and I love the way that the camper almost looks painted on there. So cute. I went ahead and picked this sign up. I have a DIY in mind for this sign. I love the Let It Snow too, so if I can pull that off without messing it up too much, I could reuse that. But I picked up the sign to do something different with. I didn't find, it was what I was gonna do with the bag. So hopefully I can find the bag and get that DIY posted for you guys. These are really cute just on their own though. I really like them a lot. I did find one item that was fall that was new to my store, or at least I hadn't seen it. It is this right here. It's a really pretty jar. It kind of has that mercury look to it on the inside. This thing is so beautiful. I do not remember seeing these in my store anywhere. It says it's a candle holder, and of course it looks like a pumpkin. I think it'd be really cute if maybe you wrapped it with burlap or something and put a candle down in it. But this is about to go up immediately in my house because you guys know I have my house decorated for fall already, and this is so pretty. So let me know in the comment section, has your store had these for a while? They're new to my store, or if they're not new, I just overlooked them for months. I don't even know, but they are very pretty. Be on the lookout for them. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out all my food items really quickly and share them with you before I show my other items that aren't food and aren't Christmas. I ended up finding some pretty healthy-ish options at the Dollar Tree. I'll go ahead and start with these. I found these. They say that they are purple sweet potato chips in rosemary and herb, and they're gluten-free. They look pretty good. I know they're healthy, so they're probably gonna taste healthy, but it says that they're good. It says they're sweet, savory, satisfying. I like sweet potatoes, so hopefully they're good. I went ahead and I picked up 2 bags just because I grabbed 1 bag and then I thought if I end up really liking these, I'll regret not getting 2 bags. They're just $1 a piece. There's quite a bit in there. We are trying to eat a little bit healthier, so I went ahead and picked up 2 bags of these sweet potato chips. And then my store had the mini toast. These are so good to put on if you put on some cream cheese and then you put on some like jalapeno jelly or something like that. They're so good. We actually have an unopened jar of jalapeno jelly in our pantry that I've been dying to get into. So we just need to pick up some cream cheese and we are gonna go to town on these things. They're so delicious. These are a tried and true product. I have bought these numerous times. They're so good. They're the chicken egg rolls. They're by Imperial Garden. They are very good. You just put them in the oven, let them crisp up. I'll make some fried rice and chicken and then put these with it, and they're really good. I know that this is probably not a great deal for $1 a piece. I don't know, but they're pretty big. So I'm a fan, my husband's a fan. We'll keep buying them because they just really are good. I'm kind of picky about egg rolls too, and I like these. I don't know if this will be good with the egg rolls or not, but I found this at my store. It's the sweet chili sauce by Amazon, and it's in the mild. So I went ahead and grabbed it so that we could try it with the egg rolls, because I don't really have anything like this, and I really love chili sauce a lot. So hopefully this is good. I really love the sweet chili sauce from Payway. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. It's amazing. It's so good. But yeah, so I thought I would try this. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried any of this food that I've mentioned or that I'm going to mention, and if you like it or don't like it. Or I would love to know if there's a food at Dollar Tree that you always get or that you really like or really recommend. I would love to hear about it. I'm always looking for recommendations of Dollar Tree food because sometimes you find really great deals. I also went ahead and grabbed some cocktail sauce. Nothing fancy about this. I just am out of cocktail sauce. Last time we had shrimp, we didn't have any cocktail sauce and I was really sad. So I went ahead and grabbed this. It is by Little River Seafood Company, and it's good for their 2 years maybe. Yeah, it's good until 2021. So hopefully this is good. It's not a Dollar Tree product, so that's good. And yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong for cocktail sauce for $1 if it's yummy. And the last food item that I bought is this apple cider. It's not actually for drinking. I saw a recipe on Fallon's channel over on Moss Family TV. They make it all the time where they make apple cider chicken. And so they're always saying how good it is. And I've been meaning to pick up some apple cider for that reason. And I remember when I saw it in the store, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get that. I have to make that chicken recipe. So I'll see if I can find her video on that. And if I can, I'll link it below. Or I'll at least try to find the recipe and link it below. But yeah, I'm really excited to try it. They love it. Hopefully we'll love it too. Okay, and the rest of these items are just items that I picked up. They're not Christmas. They're not food. I'll start with the items that were new to me. And the first item is this cooling iPads. It's by the company So Mine, which is not a Dollar Tree brand. My store had so many different little prints, but the one that I picked up has the eyelashes on it and then the glitter. I always have headaches, sinus headaches. I have a fragrance allergy, you guys know, so I get headaches a lot. And I kind of had a headache in the store today. So when I saw these, I thought that they looked really good. So I think you could probably put I don't know if you can put them in the freezer, just the refrigerator, I'm not sure. But get them cold, lay them on your eyes. It will feel so good when you have a headache. I thought they were really cute too. I thought this was kind of cool. So this is a Jolie's brand product. And it is, from what I understood by reading on it, I think you make your own ribbons. So you just feed these through your printer, it prints on your ribbons, and then you're able to cut them out. It says for light colored satin ribbons. Easy image, there's 5 sheets here. Let me open it up and show you guys so you can see what it is. But I thought it would be really, really cute to create your own ribbons for Christmas, for birthdays. I'm a coach and we do like senior night and stuff, so you could print stuff on there. So it looks to me like maybe you print on this paper and then you iron it onto the ribbon. Okay, I see it now. That is what you do. Let me show you guys. So it says step 1, you design what you want it to say right here. Step 2 is to print it. So feed it through your printer, you cut it out, and then you iron it onto the ribbon, and then you can use the ribbon. So I don't know, in my mind I thought maybe it was like strips of ribbon you printed right on, but it looks like it's basically a transfer, so that's pretty cool. I'm very interested to see if this works. So be on the lookout at your Dollar Tree for this. This is kind of a cool product, and I'm sure you could do more than just the small ribbon areas, which is pretty cool. I do not have any no-show socks at all. These really, really small ones. This says that they're microfiber non-slip gel tab with aloe infused. They are by Essie Legwear. They're not a Dollar Tree brand, so I thought I would give them a try. And one of the reasons is here on the hill, there is like a no slip thing right here. These usually really hurt my feet. Like by the end of the day, my heel is hurting really badly, but I do have a pair of shoes that I need these for. So I thought I would go ahead and give these a try since they're not Dollar Tree brand, they're an actual brand. And it does have the no slip, so hopefully these are good. I'll let you guys know, but yeah, I'm excited to try them and see if they work. I also went ahead and picked up this glitter paper. These are perfect for printing out for your projects. They do have an adhesive back, so doing like Christmas DIYs and things like that, if you have a Cricut machine, definitely be on the lookout for these and buy them when you see them, because they really are a great quality. They're not vinyl, but they're pretty close. I grabbed some hair bands. They are scrunchy. They're the ponytail holders that don't have the metal on them or anything. I am almost out of ponytail holders, so I went ahead and grabbed these. I'm saying ponytail holders because it says it on there. We call them hair ties where I'm from. Let me know in your part of the country, what do you call ponytail holders? We call them hair ties. I have a friend who moved here from Kentucky. She calls them hair bows, even though they're not a bow whatsoever. They call ponytail holders hair bows. Again, here in Oklahoma, most of us call them hair ties or ponies. We've had people call them ponies, but I was thinking that earlier when I saw them in the store. I was like, I'm gonna have to ask my viewers what they call these. We call them ponies or hair ties. I also picked up some dog treats. My dog loves these. I've bought them before. They are the no rawhide wraps. I've talked before about how I do not give him rawhide, but he really likes these, and it says chicken is the first ingredient. I finally caved and picked up some nail polish. I got this Pure Ice. This takes me straight back to the 90s or early thousands. You guys know what I'm talking about. We had a bunch of Pure Ice nail polish in the day. And this one has the green with the silver glitter. I picked it up, of course, for Christmas, but it's got like this off-white color that goes with it. I think that it's really cute. I can't wait to use it for Christmas time. This is a new item to me. It is the men's grooming kit. It's scissors and a comb. I thought this would be a perfect little thing to put in my husband's stocking for Christmas. So I went ahead and picked it up for him, but I'm gonna put it away until Christmas time and put it into his stocking. And my last items are not new, but I was on the lookout for these forever and my stores never got them, and so I gave up. I was like, my stores are never gonna get these, and then today I randomly run across them. It's so crazy the way sometimes things will be so behind other people. But anyways, they are these rugs that everybody was hauling. You guys remember these. I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of these. I plan to make some pillows out of them, and then I grabbed one of this gray one to put in front of my door over here. But yeah, I'm so glad that I found them. I had given up hope, and then there they were. Okay, you guys, that is my video, my huge haul. I hope you saw something that you like, and I hope that you liked this video as well. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!